Welcome to week 1 in child psychology. This week, we are going to do a little bit of review from Psych 101, looking at the theories and the research methods that you learned about and how they apply to developmental or child psychology. So as you can see, this is how a normal week would look. This format will be on every week, so you can expect to see an overview and learning outcomes and a list of tasks for you to complete. You will also see a long list of resources. I want to show you the links. The video that I'm recording right now will be housed right here. This, as I mentioned in the introduction, is going to be the week's links to videos, lectures, and things that I find relevant to the unit. When you click on that, you will see that there is a host of videos. These are including ones that I've created that are for like lecture of the content that go directly with the study guide, which you can also see here. And that is part of your weekly materials. It's a resource that will be linked or aligned with the assessment that you'll be taking soon. You will also see readings as well as PowerPoints that I have included. Your assignments for this week include creating a discussion activity, an introduction of yourself. So I will also be creating my own activity, or I'm sorry, my own introduction so that you can see what I'm looking for in terms of yours. 3 to 4 paragraph biography. Think about your development, physical, cognitive, social, or emotional, and how they may be relevant to the course. Once you have completed your biography, and hey, include pictures. I will be including pictures in mine, and it gives us a good way to put a face with a name and get to know each other a little bit better because we're going to be participating in this online community. Now, it is important to note that there is a original post due date and a final due date. The original post is going to be due Wednesday at 11:59. This gives your classmates an opportunity to reply to your post because, as you can see, 2 reply posts are required by Sunday at 11:59. Each discussion board is worth 12 points, and I will be utilizing the rubric in the course here, start here menu. That is the discussion rubric grading. So if you have any questions, please check that out. Your first writing assignment is going to be all about you. This is an autobiography, and I want you to talk about your first 12 years. Here are some potential things that you can include as noted in the assignment tasks. I will say, I do realize that not everyone had a happy childhood. I do realize that not everyone wants to talk about that. But if your paper is "My childhood sucked" and no other details, you will not get full credit. Here is the criteria by which your paper will be graded. As you can see, content, depth of content is really important, as well as the using, proper grammar, spelling, and mechanics, and creating a cohesive essay. Your final assignment for week 1 is to complete the worksheet. As I said in the introduction, this is set up as a quiz. It is basically an electronic study guide. It goes along with the materials of the unit. It prepares you for that first quiz, and you have 2 attempts, and your highest attempt will be taken into the grade book. The worksheet is only worth 10 points. So that is week 1 in a nutshell. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out. As I noted in my intro video, I will be looking for your responses to the live class meetings. I have all these choices. They correspond with my office hours. And what I'm planning on doing is, aside from the introductions, we all need to introduce ourselves. But if you participate in these meetings, then I would give you full credit for participating in the discussion board. We will somewhere within the meeting basically discuss the discussion board. So it will give you an opportunity to do it that way verbally with me in the class who shows up, as opposed to having to write it out, and I would just grade it into the grade book. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you're having a great week. Thanks so much.